Elista has recently launched a new range of QLED Google TVs in India, aiming to provide a premium viewing experience at an affordable price point. Here is a comprehensive overview of the new TVs based on available information. Models and pricing. The new lineup includes 3 models with different screen sizes and resolutions. 32-inch HD price at Rs 23,990, 43-inch Full HD price at Rs 35,990, 55-inch 4K UHD price at Rs 69,990. Key features and specifications. Display. All models features a QLED display panel which Elista claims delivers richer colors, deeper contrast and more vibrant brightness. The 55-inch model supports 4K UHD resolution and HD at 10, while the 43-inch and 32-inch models offers Full HD and HD resolutions respectively. Operating system. The TV runs on Google TV interface, which offers a personalized home screen that consolidates content from various streaming platforms. Audio. Select models comes with a powerful 48-watt inbuilt soundbar with Dolby Audio supports, providing a cinematic sound experience. Smart features. The TVs have built-in Google Assistant for voice control, allowing users to search for content, adjust settings and integrate with other smart home devices. They also come with Chromecast built-in, enabling easy screen mirroring from smartphones and tablets. Connectivity. The new TVs support dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for seamless streaming. They are equipped with 2 HDMI ports for connecting devices like gaming consoles and sound systems. Design. Elista has opted for a bezel-less or edge-to-edge screen design, giving the TVs a sleek and modern aesthetic. Pre-installed apps. The TVs comes with popular streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Hotstar, Sony Live and YouTube pre-installed. Hardware. The 55-inch model has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, while the 32-inch and 43-inch models have 1.5 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. Overall impression. Elista is positioning these QLED Google TVs as an affordable luxury options in the highly competitive Indian market. The company is focusing on delivering a feature-rich experience including QLED technology, Google TV and Dolby Audio at a price point that undercuts some of the more established brands. The inclusion of a 48-watt soundbar in some models and the minimalist bezel-less design are also key selling points. The brand is also emphasizing its commitment to the Make in India initiative with a dedicated manufacturing facility. While specific long-term user reviews are still emerging, the initial information suggests that the Elista QLED Google TVs offers a compelling package for consumers looking for a smart TV with good display and modern features without a high price tag.